The Speaking Trees. That's the name of the online course I'm going to be teaching through the Rowe Center. So I've come here today to gather with the trees to join me in inviting you into a poetic exploration of our relationship with these amazing beings. You know, just sitting here, I can hear so many things. Not only the birds tweeting, the woodpeckers drilling, the soft shushing of the leaves, but this deeper sense that the trees teach us, the more we learn about them, of how interconnected, how interdependent, and how cooperative and generous nature is. So I'm inviting you into this poetic dialogue, really, with trees, so that we can discover more about what I feel is a deeply important, a deeply needed relationship with these extraordinary and beloved beings. So please join me.